back to my channel. I am getting ready to go to church, so I'm always getting ready to go somewhere when I want to do something really quickly with my hair. So last night I finished doing my retie, so I've got nice fresh parts. You can't really see that. Nice fresh parts. So I'm quite happy. It's getting fuller, so this is my 11th retie, so next month marks a year, so I'm happy with the way that they're growing and the way and how full they're getting. I did do something a little bit different yesterday, so I usually use edge control right here because this hair is really short, but I added three thin pieces of Marley hair, or like kinky twist hair, to add some locks to see if they'll stay. So I added the hair there, and then I interlocked the roots, and I did the same thing with this little piece over here. So I just added a really short, can't even really see, I added a really short piece of hair, and it's already looks like it's unraveling at the end, but so we'll see if those stay. So today I'm just going to do a quick style because I want something besides them just hanging down. Usually they're also a little bit stretched out, so if I were to get in the shower and let the mist hit them or spray them with a water bottle, they would shrink up and get a little bit more full, which is actually my preference. But for today, I'm going to put them up. So I'm going to do two quick cornrows on the side right here. So I'm just going to do one going up on this side. Okay, now I'm going to, instead of doing French braids, I'm going to grab the sections of my hair and just kind of twist them or braid them together and tuck them under. So kind of like for a mohawk. I can't see the back. I forgot to bring my mirror. So hopefully this is cute. Let's do a quick, this little one still wants to. Just wants to do this one little thing. Okay, we'll see. All right, let me know what you think in the comments. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. I'm probably not going to do edge control because there's no point for me anyway. I'm not going to try to slick this little bit down, and since I put those little hairs, loose hairs in braids, I'm not going to worry about trying to slick it down. So, all right, peace.